Hi guys, my name is Lionel, and today I will be teaching you how to make a good video in 4 easy steps. And these notes mean nothing to me. Just couldn't move it. How's it going everyone? My name is Lionel, and today I will be teaching you the basics of how to make a good video in 4 steps. Now I know in the list earlier it said to get a camera, but honestly that should never be on any list. Just move this out of the way. Regardless, you should have some form of camera on you that's able to shoot video, and even if you can't afford a DSLR or a compact camera, you could always just use your phone, and I will be getting into why this is a viable option later on in this video. Now the first thing you're gonna want to have is good lighting, and no, you do not need to get fancy studio lights, although those will be very helpful. Like those ring lights are great as well. With good lighting, you mitigate the need to get an expensive low light camera, and even your headphone becomes a viable option as a video camera. You want to keep yourself, your talent or your subject well lit, and this will provide a beautiful separation from the background, and honestly, it makes the video look less grainy. Now the second thing you're going to want to have is good audio, and you never want to skim out on your audio, because no matter how bad your video looks or how great it looks, people are going to hate you or love you simply because of how you sound on camera. Now there are a few options for this. There are lavalier or clip mics, or you could get yourself an on-camera shotgun mic, which kind of looks like this. Hey, in-camera transition! And you get to hear what it sounds like if I'm using an iPhone to shoot. Now over here is a shotgun mic I normally use for my vlogs. But if you can't afford another microphone, what you can do is use your phone as an external mic. So what you want to do is you want to get it as close as you can to your lips, but just out of frame so people don't question why you have a phone in your video for the hell of it. Otherwise, just hide it in plain sight. That's another thing you could do. Now speaking of framing, that brings us to number 3 on the list, framing. And I'm gonna show you 2 examples of bad framing and explain to you why. This is bad framing because you have no headroom whatsoever. You cut off your talent's head, and you don't want to do that. If you ever find yourself in a situation and you're vlogging, what you want to do is stretch your arms just a little more, tilt it up slightly, so that you have just a couple of inches off the top. This is decent framing. And over here, this is bad framing too, because there's too much headroom. And sometimes you can't help it. Sometimes you can't do a reshoot, or you don't want to because you just went on a whole tangent about bad framing. So what do you do then? You do number 4, learn to edit. When you finally bring these videos into post-production, what you can do is that you can crop in, you can zoom in, so that you have decent framing, and hopefully it won't be as grainy as you thought. But hey, these are the basic things you need to know if you want to make a good video, hell, a good vlog. But hey, if you like this video, or if you know someone who makes shit videos and you want to spit in their faces, this is me spitting at them for you. Share this out with your friends, and hey, I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.